My name is Michele Sala. I teach design culture, the course design culture, in the master program of interior and living design and the master program in product design at Domus Academy. The design culture course that I teach at Domus Academy is divided in two parts. The first part focuses on the impact of the fourth industrial revolution, the technology revolution. Considering that the discipline of design is defined by the way the first industrial revolution has had an impact on our society, in the way we produce objects, in the way we consume objects, in the way we transport, we deliver, we communicate about objects. Considering that everything about that has changed and is changing right now, I believe that it is important to try to redefine what design is about. And we will try to redefine what design is about, talking about these outcomes of the fourth industrial revolution. Now, the goal of this class is to stimulate your curiosity regarding these topics. These topics are not something that you will necessarily work with, but they definitely define the type of cultural context and the type of society and the type of end users that will be your clients and the users of the design objects that you will produce. So I very much believe that in order to succeed in the design world of tomorrow, you will have to be curious about what's going on in the technology world.
My name is Elisa Poli. I'm responsible for the Master in Urban Vision and Architectural Design in Domus Academy. The course of Design Culture, from the name itself, talk about the history and the pleasure to discover what design means from the past to the present to the future. During this course, we tackle different aspects of the recent 20th century history of design in Italy and also abroad, and we try to take those themes to better understand what does it mean today being a designer. It's never just about history, it's using history to build a different or even a better future. I'm an architecture historian, and even if my background comes from books, I totally get the importance to talk with students and to have a class that is more an experience of exchange. So what we do in this course and why it is important? We try to see what is the history that now surrounds us here in this beautiful city of Milano, that was really the place in which design started in the 20th century, having huge figures that made the design important for Italy. We will see how much industry, architect, designers and also craftsmen came together and they were able to define a new way which we call the Made in Italy, with the specific qualities of beauty that you can see all around us in the beautiful city of Milano, which is even today one of the most important places for design, with the Design Week, Salone del Mobile and many other events. We will talk about them, we will talk about the past as something that is very important to open up a visual imaginary for you, to have more images that helps you understand now what you would like to do tomorrow. This is what we do in the course, and the main objective of the course are related, of course, with your own wish and way to become designer or interior designer. You will discover during the course a past that it's made by very, very different aspects, not only in Milano, but also outside Milano. And we will do that understanding how much products, furniture are part of the interior design environment, as well as we try to do many other aspects that seem to be unrelated, like exhibition, magazines, everything that during the 20th century made it possible this incredible dream that we call the Made in Italy. For what concerns the present, we will go closer to see institutions, places that are fundamental today to discover weekly, every month, what is happening now in the city of Milano and abroad. And we try also to understand how much temporary events can affect spaces that will last forever. What I would like to tell you is that for me the design culture is very important because it's not just an experience about furniture and interior design, but is a way to touch different aspects from music to art to any other kind of aspect that is fundamental to become a great designer. Thank you.